Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to work about list tags in HTML5. Let's watch this. In before tutorial we seen about forms. I think it's like a very clear explanation how to create a forms and what are the tags are available in forms. Everything was explained in before tutorial. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description. Just go learn how to create a forms in HTML. Now in this tutorial we are going to discuss about list in HTML. Just I'll create a new file which is called list. So what is meant by list and everything will explain in this tutorial. Let's watch this tutorial till the end. Okay, so just I'll save this file as list tags.html. So what is meant by list? Generally guys, if you want the list should be like ordered. Actually generally the list are two types, which is called ordered list and unordered list. Ordered list means you can see here 1 2 3 4, these all things can be called as ordered list. And coming to unordered list, we are having like you can keep like unordered things like radio buttons, like check boxes. This is all about your wish. So we are having two lists. So if you want the data in list format, so we are having a tag which is called list. So just I'll close these all files which was, and I'm copying this actual syntax of HTML and I'm moving. Yeah, so actually in my website create a list here. You can observe that yes, I created a list here which is web page designer, container, blogs, everything was in footer formats. Yes, in my website I also use a list. So you can observe. So this is all list which was created by me. So by using list tag, you can see that. So these are all called as an list tags. So HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. So everything, these all the links can be called as an list. So I created by using list tags. So list tags are also important. So that's why I'm explaining. But don't forget, we are having two types of list tags called unordered list tags and ordered list tags. First of all, I'll discuss unordered list tags. So unordered, the name itself there, which is called unordered, means UL. UL stands for unordered. Okay. So in unordered list tags, what's the data you want to be displayed? You want to give. So yeah, it should be in list format, right? So in unordered list tags we are giving the list which is called what the data you want. So I want, like, of course I want to print HTML. So I what I know the technologies I want to do that. So I want HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything I want to be in list format. That's it. So I'm giving the technologies. So I know these languages. That's it. And so just control S and go and reload the list. You can see that it was created the list format. Just I'm increasing the size. So this is the way to create the list by using HTML. So if you want to be like unordered list, so this is all unordered list. You are having a tag which is called UL. So if you want like ordered, so if the same thing, if you want like ordered, just copy and paste it here. I don't want to write. We are having a tag which is called ordered OL. So ordered list, just change it as UL to OL and just control S and just reload. You can see here which is called ordered. So if the list you want like ordered list, you can give UL. If you want like unordered list, you can give UL. If you want like ordered list, you can give OL. I think it's like a very clear explanation. So if you want to define the list, so like what you can say that we are having a generally you can see here what I have used. I used unordered list and I given like list of this all. This is all about your things, guys. If you want, I given like a class means why I given. It's like a CSS styling, so that's why my things are very clear and nice way. So, and one more thing I want to say that if you want to give the description of the list, so we are having a tag which is called DL. DL stands for description of list. So DL means description of list. So if you want to give any list, So just give the DL and you need to give the description. So DT, we are having the list tag, which means D stands for description list. Okay. So here I want like HTML, right? So here I want to be HTML. I want to give the description. So description of this. So just give the description here. So just observe carefully. DD stands for description. So like I'm giving the description hypertext markup language. So everything which was written in DL. DL means here I already explained, which is description list. Okay. So in it's all in description list we are writing these all things, and just control S and just reload here, and you can observe we are getting like this. Did you observe that? So this is HTML is list and it was describing this one. So we are getting this space, right? This is called with the help of DD and DT. So it's like a very clear explanation. So if you want so this is all the basic things to know if you want to work in web designing. If you are really beginner, so these all things will definitely useful. Okay, so this is all about lists. I think it's like a very clear explanation. I'll give small recap. So the list have two things, which is called ordered list and unordered list. So I firstly explained the unordered list. Unordered list generally you'll get like this. So this is called unordered list. So that is the tag we are having UL. So for ordered list we are having tag which is called OL. So it's like a 1 2 3 4. And if you want the list like description, you can use DL. DL stands for description list. So if you want the list and the things what you want, so if you can give anything and you can give the description of particular that, so that is can be called as DL, description list. In DL having two things, which is DT and DD. This is all about list tags, and I'll come with another tutorial which is called formatting tags. So what are the formatting tags are available in HTML5 and everything we'll discuss in upcoming tutorial. Wait for next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come with the new videos and new tutorials for you, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and give a like and share, and also just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll give reply to your comments.